Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina held bilateral talks in New Delhi today to review and further strengthen the all-encompassing India-Bangladesh partnership. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh held a meeting with his Mongolian counterpart Saikhan Bayar Gurset in Ulaanbaatar today. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that India has become one of the world's most attractive investment destinations. He said world leaders and developed countries are making efforts to expand their engagement with India. In the Asia Cup T20 cricket, India will play against Sri Lanka in their must-win Super 4 game at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium this evening. More than 213 crore 72 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country under nationwide vaccination drive.